Welcome to the first module of this week, and the name of this module is Designing Facebook Advertising Campaigns Part 2. We have already started designing our Facebook advertising campaigns in the previous module. Keeping in mind the importance of Facebook advertising in today's world, I have added one more module on Facebook advertising to learn the things in very detail. So under this module, you will specifically learn how to design Facebook advertising campaigns using video formats, how to design Facebook advertising campaigns using slideshow, and lastly, how to make use of carousel in Facebook advertising campaigns. So let us see how to design Facebook advertising campaigns using video ad formats. Now let me quickly show you how to make the video ads in Facebook. Remember, I am working in previous campaign only that we started in the previous module. This time, from Add Media, we will select Add Video. From this interface, Upload Video, make sure your video should be between 10 to 15 seconds. Select the video and upload it. Our video is added. In total, this format of ad with the present video is eligible for 9 placements. If you want to increase the number of placements, then you can select a different video with different dimensions. For example, vertical video is more suitable for Instagram stories. You can further edit the video in the ad manager itself. Click on Edit Video. First, we have the option to crop the video. You can use this predefined settings to crop the video. Let me keep the original one. Next, if you want to trim the video, you can do that as well. You can also select the thumbnail of your video. The thumbnail is nothing. This is an image that you can show before the video starts and after the video ends, and when the video is in the still mode. Good thumbnail has impact on the open rate of video. Next, we have the option to add the captions. Now, what is the purpose of this? If I want to show the transcription of my video in the form of text, then you can upload the text file here. In this case, a text will be shown along with your video. Few creative to the videos are also available, like you can add the poll to your video. This is very simple process. Just add your poll question here. Give your two choices. This is my first choice and this is my second choice. If you want, when someone will click on this option, he should be guided to a particular page. Then you can give the URL of that page here. Next, we have the text overlay. If you want to show any text on your video, then you can use this option. When this text should appear, just select the time from here. You want to change the position of text, just change it from here. You can also change the font. Next, we have the logo overlay. If you want to add the logo of your brand or any other logo to your video, then you can use this option. You can upload the link of your logo or you can use any image from your business account. Make the timings related changes from here. Once you are satisfied, click Apply. And see, the video is added. Give your primary text, headline, description, website URL, display link, call to action, and confirm. Now let me show you how to create the slideshow ads. These types of ads are in video format and contains multiple images instead of a video footage. Click on Create Slideshow. This is the video creation kit for slideshow, where we have two options. The first one is to create the slideshow and the second is to select from templates. You can also select the square or vertical templates to create the slideshow. Let us use the first option first. First, add photos from your desktop. Click on Continue. Our images are added. Use this plus sign to add more images. This is the preview of our slideshow. If you want to change the format, you can change it to the vertical format. You can also set the image duration. That simply means how long an image should stay when the slideshow is in the progress. From this button, you can change the type of the transition. Look at the transition, it has been totally changed. If you want to add the music to your slideshow, then add it from here. Once things are finalized, click on Create Slideshow. Your ad will be ready. But let me show you the second option. You can add various templates. Each template has different number of images. You can add the logo, headline and call to action on each slideshow. Let me select this one. In this case, you have to add your own images by replacing the template images. Select your first image, continue. Same way, select the rest of the images. If you want to add the stickers, you can add the stickers as well. Select the position and sticker size which you think is the best one. Just see it in the live preview of your slideshow. Click Continue. Our videos are ready. To add these to the ad, click Use these videos. We have successfully added our videos. If you want, you can further edit these videos. Give the primary text, add headline and description. I hope you all are aware of all these options. This is the preview of our ad in the desktop feed. This is the preview in mobile phone feed. That's all about slideshow ads. Now let us see how to design ads under carousel format. Actually, under this format, you can show up to 10 different images called cards. You can write different headlines and description for each of the card separately. This type of format is very popular amongst e-commerce websites where these websites promote multiple products under a single ad. The designing of such type of ad is very simple. Let me show you. This is the place for ad creatives. You can use this plus sign to add images for cards. Let me show you how to work on first card. Select image. It is better to upload all the images first and then start designing the cards. Let me quickly add few images here. Images are added. Now select one image to add it to the card and press continue. Image is added to the card. If you want, you can crop your image to make it of proper size. Add headline, though it is optional. Give the description of your card. Enter the primary text. This primary text will be common for all the cards. You can give different headlines, description and call to action for each of the cards separately. Add call to action. Let us add a second card. Give headline, description and call to action for this very card. Add few more cards. Let us have a preview of our ad. Use this expand preview. Now we have the better idea about how our ad will look under various placements. Click on any preview and you can view it. Let us see how it will look like in the desktop newsfeed. See here, you can swipe the 10 images from these arrows. Now what is this? This is the end card, and by default it shows the profile image of your page, and if someone will click on this card, he will automatically reach to the Facebook page. If you don't want to show this card, you can disable this option as well. Let me show you how. Just uncheck this button. Just see, now the card is not visible. This is all about carousel ads. Hope now you will be able to use this format of ads as well. So this was the way of designing the Facebook advertising campaigns using video, slideshow and carousel ad formats. Now I hope you have the basic idea about Facebook advertising campaigns. Actually in reality there are so many campaign objectives in Facebook advertising, but I have discussed few of these objectives. So just play around rest of the objectives and you will learn more about the Facebook advertising. Thank you.